Good evening. Bulls were in a festive mood today as the markets finally chose the auspicious occasion of Gudi Padwa to march ahead after several days of sluggish movement. The index heavyweight Reliance Industries led from the front amid expectations of strong show in the October-December quarter. In terms of global cues, markets in Asia were pretty much subdued, but European stock benchmarks gained as the region's finance ministers worked out a strategy for emergency loans for Greece. US stock futures were nearly unchanged ahead of the Federal Reserve's policy meeting. In Asia, the Nikkei in Japan was down 0.3%, while Australia's S&P edged higher by 0.4%. Shanghai SE Composite edged higher by 0.5%, and the Hang Seng in Hong Kong was down 0.4%. In Europe, the stocks were trading with a positive bias. The DAX in Germany was up 0.9%, and the CAC 40 of France was also up 0.9%. And the FTSE in the UK was up 0.6%. Benchmarks broke out in the last 1 hour of trade and ended above crucial resistance levels. The up move was led by gains in oil and gas, metals and capital goods space. The BSE Sensex ended at 17,383, surging 218 points after touching a high of 17,417 and a low of 17,150. The NSE Nifty surged 69 points to end at 5,198. Among the BSE sectorial indices, the oil and gas index was the top gainer, adding 2.7%, followed by the metal index, which was up 1.7%, and the BSE capital goods index, which was also up 1.7%. The BSE mid-cap index added 1%, and the BSE small-cap index was up 1.2%. The biggest Sensex gainers were Reliance Industries, Larsen & Toubro, Tata Steel, Mahindra & Mahindra and Sun Pharmaceuticals. The losers comprised Bharti Airtel, HDFC Bank, ACC, State Bank of India and Wipro. The market breadth was positive with 1,796 advances as against 1,040 declines. Outside the frontline indices, the big gainers in the broader market were J Corp, M&M Financials, Idea, Indian Hotels and Ashok Leyland. On the other hand, the losers included NMDC, Hindustan Copper, Nestle and PFC. That's it for the day. Thank you and have a great evening ahead.